Welcome. Today, you'll discover how to add a cover photo to your Facebook page on your PC using the latest update. Whether you want to give your page a fresh new vibe or showcase your brand, updating the cover image is quick and simple. Start by opening the Facebook app on your computer. If you haven't logged in yet, enter your email and password to access your account. Once you're logged in, look at the top of the page and click on your profile photo. This opens a menu with your main profile and any pages you manage. Select the page where you want to update the cover photo. Now that you're on your page, focus on the top section where your current cover photo appears. If you haven't set one yet, you'll see an empty cover area. Move your mouse over that space and click on your cover photo area. You'll see a prompt that says Choose Cover Photo or a similar option. Click that to continue. A window will pop up, allowing you to browse photos stored on your computer. Navigate to the folder where your chosen image is saved. Pick your favorite and click Open. After uploading, your image will appear in the cover photo preview. Now's your chance to get creative. Click and drag to reposition the photo until it fits perfectly. Make sure the most important elements are centered and clearly visible. If you want to make further edits, feel free to adjust until you're completely happy with how it looks. Once you're satisfied with the position and appearance, click Save Changes. Your new cover photo will be instantly added to your page, giving it a vibrant and professional feel. A well-chosen cover image is often the first thing people notice when visiting your page, so pick one that best represents your style or business. That's all it takes to update your cover photo with the new Facebook app experience on PC. Enjoy your refreshed Facebook page and keep it looking sharp.